Hi, this is Dr. Christopher Van Tilburg with the Hood River County Health Department. We've had a very busy week. I want to give a brief update this Saturday evening, and then we'll try to get out more information early next week. The most important thing I can say has very little to do with the details of our week's cases, but more to do with the fact that we still have coronavirus in our community. And it may be transmitted through a workplace, may be transmitted through a congregate setting, it may be transmitted through a backyard barbecue with friends and family. So please be careful. Please use all those techniques of keeping yourself and your friends and family safe that we've been talking about for the last couple of months. The cases this week have resulted in a very large investigation. The health department is doing an investigation methodically and very diligently. We have been doing a large amount of contact tracing, phone calls with the patients who are positive, but also for the contacts of those patients and sometimes the contacts of the contacts. We are working very closely with North Central Public Health District because many of the cases overlap with cases in Wasco County. I don't have the exact numbers because they change almost every day, but you can see those on the Oregon Health Authority website as they come out. We do have a very robust test program that started earlier this week and will be ongoing through the middle of next week to test all of those people who need to be tested. And this was largely orchestrated by Trish Elliott, RN, who's the director of the Hood River County Health Department. She spent a lot of time on getting testing set up for our community for this outbreak. And it's in cooperation with our community partners. So 3 primary care clinics and a hospital stepped up to help us do testing. And so that has already started and will be ongoing. We are getting some assistance from the state for the agricultural community. And so Kate Brown's office has pledged some assistance by way of resources. And recently the Hood River County Sheriff Emergency Management Team on Get Ready Gorge website posted a new tab with resources for the agricultural industry. And so those resources include some local and some state websites with best practices. I want to just address briefly some frequently asked questions that we've had in the last day or two. Is the food safe to eat? Yes, we want people to keep eating fruits and vegetables. It's safe to eat. Wash it, peel it, cook it, it's okay. Are we going to give out protected health information on patients who test positive? We are not. This is the Oregon state law. We're following the law. We're following patient privacy. We have released demographic information in a few cases earlier this month when we think it's important for public safety, for example, a workplace. But just because a person who tests positive has a job, it doesn't automatically mean we're going to release their place of employment. And we spend a lot of time and anguish over how much information to release, and we want to make sure we keep the public safe, and we want to make sure we keep the public informed, and so we're doing the best we can with the parameters of the Oregon state law. Where do you get tested if you want to be tested? My recommendation would be call your doctor. Call your primary care provider. All of the clinics in town, to my knowledge, either test or they know how to get a test or know where to send you for a test. And so right now, many of the clinics are helping us with this current outbreak. But if you feel like you want a test or want to talk about a test, please call your doctor. That's all for now. We'll try to give you updates when we can. Be positive. Be safe. Thank you very much.